Hello, ECB students.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, there are so many students left. Okay, right. So next topic, I think they will join. They will be back. I think. So I will take again end of this session also attendance. So you don't think that only that attendance is final. No, I will take after this topic also. Let them to join immediately. I will post once again. Uh, Join the students immediately. So students, write in your observation notebook, write the topic listening skills. Students, write in your observation notebook listening skills. Yeah, students, is it visible on the screen? The PPT slide, listening skills. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, dear students, this is the topic you have in the lab, which is first topic in lab activities. Do you know what it mean by listening skills? Generally, there are four skills in any language we need to know. So, listening skill is the primary uh, and important skills among other skills. As you know, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. There are four skills one needs to improve. But when you come to English language, we need to improve listening and speaking skills. These are very important. In our mother tongue, consciously or unconsciously, we learn our mother tongue without taking any training. But which is the language that is English, we need to take some training, some practices, some exercise. Then after we able to excel in that language, as you know. So students now, uh, the the topic is listening skills. So my dear students, now I am going to give a complete picture of the topic which we have, listening skills overview. Sorry, listening skills. Here I am going to give inputs related to objectives of listening skills, introduction of listening skills, why we listen, why the listening skills are necessary, types of listening skills, purpose of listening skills, tips for effective listening skills, and techniques and do's and don'ts, and conclusion. So these are I am going to talk. As you know, these are some objectives of listening skills: listening, reading, speaking, and writing, as I said. But you see, dear students, what is the definition of listening skills? But as I said, listening skill is important skill which we have other skills. But we most probably we have to we spend more time on listening than other skills. Dear students, whether you focus or not, but consciously or unconsciously, we are listening, we are hearing from different people and different sounds, whatever they make. But you can't stop yourself. No, I will not listen. No. Naturally, you may listen, but based on your interest, you may pay attention or not. That was different. But listening, which is the skill, we learn, we listen consciously or unconsciously. Okay, listening takes practice. Real listening is active process. Listening requires attention. See, whenever, wherever you are in gathering, public gathering, or in any market, in any public place, you may listen from so many people, whatever they talk, whatever they communicate, but you may not attention on what they speak. Students, can you hear me? Hello, ECB students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, respond me. Otherwise, I don't know whether it's clear or not. Please try to respond when I ask you. Okay. Who is the rule number 92 present? I gave option. Rule number 92. Okay. My dear 91 to 90. Yes, 92. 101. Okay. Students here, you try to, follow the listening skills, how you are going to, listen here. Real listening is an active process. Listening requires, see, my dear students, there are some uh, uh, types of listenings which process in our mind. So when you listen something, you may, if you focus only, you understand. Now I am giving lecture. Sometime I ask you, dear students, can you hear me? So when you respond, yes, sir, it is clear. Yes, it is audible. If you say that respond, I understand that you are listening, you are following me, I what I am giving lecture. This is what intercommunication going through listening. Listening is the tool between you and me. See, if I speak French, German, Japan, whatever, you may not respond. I'm speaking, I'm giving the lecture in English. So when I talk, when I interrupt, when I make any sense of statement, immediately you're trying to reply. That is what you are active listening. You are listening actively, you are focusing on listening what I mean. Okay, students, this is what sometime based on the content of the topic, you may store that information. See, now we are discussing uh, for the lab topics, whatever previous topic is group discussion. Now I have started listening skills. So sometime you may remember. See, these points you accept and store in your mind for the examination point of view, for your career skills, and for future use. You may store in your mind, you may accept what I mean. These all you have to maintain listening on focus. Okay, students. Next, you see the points. See, you can make it the pie charts. How you give the importance of different skills. So you have 45% on listening compared to other skills. Only you are doing 9% of writing. Okay, and reading is 16%. Speaking is only 30%. But you compare here, listening is 45%. Dear students, listening skills, listening skill is very very important in our life. Wherever you are, you able to, whether you focus, whether you pay attention or not, that is your individual interest. Okay, students, why listening skills are necessary? Because listening skills, if you focus, if you concentrate to gain new information, to test evidence, to be inspired, to improve your own communication. See, my dear students, if you test yourself, for example, if you take 3, 4 years, 5 years of a child, they start listening what the surrounding neighbors parents are speaking. After some days, months, years later, that baby, that child is going to talk in words, after sentences, after like you, to speak fluently. So listening, which is the skill, is very important to follow as a human being. Students, are you following me? Are you clear? Are you agree with me? Hello, ECB
Yes,
students?
sir.
Right. Girls, are any girls here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Is it clear? Are you following me, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, my dear students, here next, continuation of the listening skills, types of listening. There are, some types like appreciative listening, comprehensive listening, and empathetic listening and critical listening. What is mean by, you know, uh, appreciative listening? Appreciative listening means, suppose whatever the things done by someone, you have to appreciate after understanding. And comprehensive listening means understanding what someone means. Empathetic means what someone feels same way you try to feel. Critical listening means sometime after listening you need to analyze whether it is correct or wrong. This is what four types of listening: appreciative, comprehensive, empathetic, and critical. So active listening, which I said, generally, average person can speak 120 to 150 words per minute. But do you know, our brain, our our brain will receive per minute 500 to 700 words. See how much capability of our brain to understand the concept. Whatever, see the speed of 500 to 700 words per minute it receives and understand, but we speak only average 120 to 150, even not 50% what the brain receives. This is what you try to test yourself. So students, the purpose of listening, what purpose we listen? We listen different purpose, like exchange information, as I said, share feelings, enjoy yourself, dissolve. My dear students, there are some tips for effective listening. If you are an effective listener, you have to concentrate on what a speaker uh, give a talk. You have to maintain eye to eye contact while speaking. For example, if you when you are speaking to someone, you have to maintain eye to eye contact. Then only the listeners focus on what your talk. Facial expressions, head movements, sitting posture. These all very important in active listening. Involves in active listening. So these all also I said already here, and there are do's and don'ts of effective listening. These you just read. When you are becoming an effective listener, be mentally prepared and listen. Evaluate the speech, and be open-minded. Give respect and attention to the others' views. Ask questions and get clarity. These all do's. If you go to don'ts, don't start paying attention to the dressing style, accessories, and the vocabulary or style of speaking. My dear students, when you are listening, you are not going to estimate the speaker looking at his or her appearance. Suppose that fellow, if she is so means she's looking so beautiful, if she sees accessories, whatever earrings and very beautification, her face, everything, her dress code is so beautiful, you are not going to estimate what her appearance. Based on that, you are not going to expect what her voice. Don't evaluate the speaker and don't underestimate the speaker what it means. So dear students, these are do's and don'ts. So finally, I will conclude related this topic. So listening is one of the repetitive skills, and by developing a better listening comprehension, it can motivate students to speak and gather all the vocabulary and language acquired, and it's related to throughout the program it communicate naturally and accurately. So students, this is the class related to. So when you come to the lab, I'll try to conduct some listening exercises. Listening exercise means that I will play the audio. You have to listen. That audio will be 2 to 3 minutes only. After listening of any conversation, you are going to, answer. We will give some questions. Okay, here after listening, here one audio is there, but it's unable to play here. It can't work. But after listening that, whatever the topic day out, you may get how many speakers are there in the conversation. After listening, you come to the conclusion and come to the answer. So if there are two or three in that conversation, you can give. They visited an exhibition, true or false? No, they visited the museum, so you it is false, like that. So students, you try to find these are. I will give the uh, I will play when you come to the offline lab. So students, now you can find it is related to another topic which is there. Just 1 second, students. Here, students, same after listening skills. You just I will finish it within 10 minutes, my dear students. I think you are so hungry. Yeah, I understand. Just note it down, this topic. Just a minute. Charm topic. Students, are you here? Amma, is it clear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
I will finish within 10 minutes. Don't worry. Just a minute. Write in your observation notebook. All of you. I ask you next lab. So what you have written in your lab observation notebook, please write it down. Today date and topic is just a minute. So student, just a minute means it is the activity one who gives spontaneous talk on any topic. So just a minute, the activity which gives spontaneous, effective, impromptu speaking. Here, a speech that you have to make when you haven't been given. So that activity will be giving on the spot. You have to talk for a minute. Okay, that's what just a minute means. That you have the teacher, whoever will assign a topic, you have to speak spontaneously without taking any time. So when you are speaking for a minute on a particular topic, you are not going to deviate yourself. You are not going to repeat what you have said. You are not going to hesitate yourself. This is what main importance. Elements of job. You have to analyze the topic briefly, whatever your ideas. Use proverbs, jokes, anecdotes, whatever quotations in that. See, during your jam session, jam activity is individual activity. After assigning a topic, you have to talk continuously. Be ready to speak in a given situation. That will be the time will be 1 minute only. Be brief and to the point. Be cautious time. Follow the sequential and order. See, this is what put a nice smile on face until the end of your topic. See, 1 minute you have to speak spontaneous, whatever related topic, what you are conveying the message to the audience. It must be clear, have positive look, your appearance, define the topic in a simple language. Sometimes you may start with a good proverb, good. For example, I gave save girl child. If I give a topic, save girl child, you may start just a minute. Beti bachao, beti padhao. If you give that quotation, that statement, of that one, the audience will understand. Oh, you're talking about how we save the girl child. So that way also you can give, but there are don'ts in the just a minute. Don't gamble ideas. Don't drag the points. Don't give too many pauses. Pauses means don't take much gap after saying one sentence, two sentence. If you maintain, keep quiet, there is no meaning at all. So students, please maintain these all. Don't make these points in your. See, this is what just a minute. Positive aspects also important. You just read. I think you understand what it mean of these all jam activity topics. Students, I will share this. I think here very few students are there, only 16 students are there. But anyhow, my dear students, take any one of the topic from the list. There are, we have written here nearly 40, 50 topics here. Okay, so you have to select whatever you are interested topic, just a minute topic, you have to write. But this is the activity we are going to conduct. Even this activity is in internal, we are going to give 5 marks. In internal, we will be add 5 marks for this activity. We will conduct when you come to the when you come to offline lab after your exam or next lab. Okay, students, is it visible on the screen, the topics, ECB?
Yes, sir.
So take any one topic. So take one topic each student. It is individual activity. So ma'am already shared in Google Classroom. Take it and write. So students, thank you. This is the class today. We covered today in this online lab. What is the first topic we discussed? ఈరోజు ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసావమ్మా? What topic we covered, ma, today?
Group discussion.
Very good. Group discussion. Next,
Listening skills.
listening skills. Next,
Jam.
just a minute. Very good. So thank you, students. Go through the notes. Write your observation notebook. Same thing. If it is time, write your record also. So thank you. Thank you, one and all. So whatever the attendance I have taken, I will be considered that. So thank you. So this is the class for today, the lab. Thank you. Thank you, students. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Students, any doubts, ma?
No, sir.
Thank you. Shall I stop? Shall I leave the class?
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you. See you next class.